Welcome to MyUCSC Enrollment. First, you will need your Cruise ID and Cruise ID Gold password to sign in to MyUCSC. Click on the enrollment icon on the home page. To search for classes, click Class Search in the sidebar. Your class search can be as specific or as broad as needed to find the right classes. You can specify academic terms, course subjects, class numbers, and status. Click the search button once you've entered any criteria. The search results displays a list of classes available based on the criteria you selected. It also shows whether or not the class is full, as indicated by a green circle if the class has spots available, or a blue square if the class is filled up. Click on the class number or class title to view the class details. Be sure to review the class details, description, enrollment requirements, and meeting information to make sure the class is appropriate for you. To add the class to your shopping cart, click on the Add to Cart button on the right-hand side of either the class search results or the class details page. Upon selecting the Add to Cart option, you will be prompted to include a section and indicate enrollment preferences. Under Enrollment Preferences, you may include a permission number if you have one, change your grade option, or check the Waitlist if class is full box under the Class Preferences banner. Please note, you can only waitlist classes during your second enrollment appointment. Press the Next button to complete adding the classes to your cart. Repeat this process until your shopping cart is full of classes you would want to take. Remember to include numerous backup classes as well in case you are unable to enroll in a first choice class. You can also use the My Scheduler tool to check for time conflicts and visualize your weekly schedule. You may edit your section times, waitlist options, permission numbers, or grading options by clicking on the class title link in your shopping cart. To remove a course from your shopping cart, click on the Delete/Trash Can icon. To view your appointment times, click on either the Enrollment Dates link or the Term Information tab. Thank you for watching, and please watch the Enrollment Part 2 video to learn more about using MyUCSC's enrollment tools.